Good morning guys, it is Sunday morning now, so it's round 4 of the MS Pro Drift Championship at Brands Hatch. Tunerfest today, the car is there. I didn't get a chance last night, well, I kind of forgot to do an outro, but anyway, so I went up against Ryan Hughes and yeah, that man definitely did a damn good lap, and yeah, and he came 3rd. I came 4th, still happy because we're 2nd in the championship, so yeah, over the moon with that one. So today we want more of what we did in the battles last night, and hopefully get back up in that qualifying leaderboard, and then yeah, be on for the battles again this afternoon. It is going to be super hot today, even hotter than yesterday I think. Look how busy it is already, the cars are all lining up, we're already getting a few people coming in wanting autographs, wanting posters and all that kind of stuff. Andy and Craig, they're buffing up the S14 of Dreams. Ryan, he's buffed his up. Obviously poor Paul yesterday with the rod out the side of the block, not so good, but they whipped the engine out last night. I don't know if that's gone off to DY already or what, but yeah, hopefully today won't take as many prisoners, and yeah, looking forward to a good one. Guys, so practice is done. Happy to say that it went a lot better than yesterday's practice, and that last practice lap that we did as well I think was going to be a decent qualifying line, so I'm hoping that we'll be able to replicate that for the qualifying in an hour or so's time for the judges, make them proud. But yeah, crowds are starting to grow here now. Terrible music is on, so yeah, it can only be Tunerfest, and yeah, hopefully we'll get loads of people around here later for some posters. So yeah, stay tuned. Next few laps you'll see a big quali. Wish me luck. Afternoon guys, qualification results are in, and today it's 11th, so we've gone up a couple. First lap was a lot better than yesterday, which was good, but I clipped the inside of corner 1, so they docked me a few points for that, which is understandable, but I was just happy that the transition and the top part of the circuit was a lot better than yesterday, a lot more fluid, not as much decel, etc. like that, so that helped. Second lap, I thought, right, I want to prove to the judges I'm not scared of that first corner, so I went for a bit of Martin Richards' flick from yesterday that they were commending. Probably shouldn't have tried it in quali, but yeah, I initiated at the same spot with the flick, and that gave me that much more momentum and put me on the other side of the corner, so it meant I had to kind of recover it a little bit, which was a Bit of a shame anyway, but learned a lot from it, which was sweet. So that now means we are into the top 16 and we're going to be against flying machine Nathan Chivers. So this is a battle we've been looking forward to for a long time. Battle of the Magnuson supercharged LS3s, which is going to be sweet. So yeah, time to just get fresh tyres on the back, get fueled up, get some food in me, and get out there. So yeah, let's see what this crazy weather and this crazy track is going to offer us this afternoon. Okay, so that didn't quite go to plan, and definitely not for the reason that I thought it would. So yeah, went to go and launch with Mr. Chivers. Did my usual, tucked in behind him as we go down the hill towards the cone. Pulled up beside him and started to accelerate. I thought I'd look over my right shoulder, and then boom! This beautiful white, blue and red S15 hit the front of my car. We then speared off the track, spun round and then hit into the barriers on the infield. So yeah, wow. So just to give you a quick oversight, we'll get some more footage in a minute, but the front FDF is bent on the driver's side, and we've also bent something on the rear wise fab. So unfortunately that's us done, because we just don't have those spares with us, unfortunately. Yeah, gutted, because that battle was going to be sweet against Nathan, but yeah, just one of those things of drifting in motorsport. I think his car fishtailed a little bit as he went round the cone and caught him out. I wasn't focusing on him at the time, so yeah, anyway, we're back in the pits, boys are working on it. I'm gonna get out of my race suit and help them out, and then yeah, we'll keep you posted on how we do. Right, where do we begin? So, had the little off with Nathan. I just realised I've got some mud on my face. Right, I'm in my scruffs. The boys have done a great bit of work. Jamie from Chivers' team, absolutely amazing. Mark as well, he came over and helped with the alignment. So, we've got the bolt in the rear fixed for the wise fab. It's a little bit out of alignment to normal, but close enough for us to make what we need to. Front, we had the oxyacetylene set in Nathan's van. What was it? Jamie and Carl went and got that sorted out, so that's straight enough. We had to sort the toe out and everything, and actually the steering wheel's probably a little bit straighter than it was before. So, boys are cleaning it up. We've got about 20 minutes. We've been working on this for about the last hour and a half. But yeah, I think we'll be ready now for the top 8, which is going to be typically against the old grudge match, Ollie Evans. But yeah, have a cycling lap, test out the car, send it in 5th, see if she's all right, and then yeah, we'll just go from there. It has, if you can believe it, been raining a little bit as well, so yeah, the circuit's going to be a little bit different, but we're not changing anything else on the setup because the wall did that enough for us anyway. But yeah, here we go, and yeah, let's hope that we can turn it again into at least a podium or a third, fourth battle at least. Hey guys, it is the evening now of round 4. You can see I'm in my pit area with no gazebo. Gazebo's over there. The boys have already taken it down. The little Z is over there. So we went out top 8 against Mr. Ollie Evans, and yeah, luckily I had a sighting lap. The car was a little bit lighter on the rear end, but yeah, wasn't too much of a problem. We still sent it as if it was just a normal day. Went out and chased Ollie first, which was good. Definitely gaining some speed against him as well, which was nice, closing in on him on the first corner. But I think that freaked me out a little bit, and I got my timing then wrong for the transition, which was a shame. I was inside on the line, and yeah, so that put me out on that one. And yeah, obviously then in the chase I put on the best lead line that I could, and yeah, it was all she wrote, unfortunately. At least Ollie was on the door on the way around the final bend. Looked pretty sweet. But yeah, so we're now going to wait and see who's won the overall event. But the team, so thankful to those guys, all their hard work in getting the Z going again. Might not have been 100% on alignment, but without them it wouldn't have been possible. So yeah, thanks to their support. Thanks to Jill as well for all of her support over the phone. She was keeping up every step of the way. Unfortunately, my Instagram posts were a bit poor because the network coverage around here was so terrible. But anyway, we'll make up for that. Brad has got loads of pictures. Kev's got loads of pictures. Dave and Spencer have got a ton of footage and stuff as well, so absolutely awesome. We'll put the vlog together. Hopefully you've enjoyed this one. Like, comment and subscribe, and we will see you next time, which I'm not going to say exactly which the next event is going to be, so just stay tuned for that one.